In today's video, we are going to take a different approach of looking at winning Upwork proposals, and that is the psychology behind Upwork proposals. And believe me, it's a game-changing video, so you definitely want to make sure that you watch until the end of this video, because at the end of this video you are going to write Upwork proposals in a different way. By understanding psychological tricks that can trigger the decision making of the clients, you can gain yourself an edge on the marketplace and also secure that high paying clients on the platform. Now you might wonder why the psychology behind Upwork proposals, because once you are sending a proposal, you are not just writing a script of text and sending it to potential clients. No, it is not email marketing or where you send random emails to random people. On Upwork, you are sending proposals to warm leads, to businesses that they are already looking for the services that you're offering. And your proposal plays a crucial role in order to get you hired or rejected on the platform. Now, the very first concept of psychology behind the Upwork proposals that we are going to talk about is a scarcity mindset. What is a scarcity mindset? This trick is all about creating a sense of urgency with the client. And how can you do this? You can do this by mentioning that you have a limited available time and you are only considering a few selected projects for the upcoming weeks. In this way, the client thinks that they need to react to your proposal very quickly if they are interested to working with you, and this adds a layer of urgency to your proposals. Now, the second psychological concept that we are going to look at it is social proof. This is the idea that people are more likely to trust you if others they have already done so. In order to use this concept, you can include testimonials or feedback from previous projects or clients mentioning that you are the right person for this type of projects and that you are actually a professional in this industry. You can also refer to key facts or key numbers about you on the platform. For example, the number of your completed projects, your job success score, or the number of hours that you have worked on the platform. Social proofs add credibility and trust into your proposals and makes the client more comfortable in choosing you for their project. The next concept or the psychological trick is reciprocity. Now, reciprocity is all about giving something in order to receive something else. How can you do this in your Upwork proposals? In your Upwork proposals, you can offer a free consultation, a free meeting on a platform like Zoom to discuss the project further with your clients. Now, by offering this free consultation of 30 minutes or 1 hour to discuss the project further with the client, first of all, you show your interest into the project. Next, during that interview, during that free consultation, you will answer to the potential questions that the clients might have about your services or about yourself. The next advantage is that you and your client, you can both get to a better understanding of the overall concept of the contract, and also you will ensure that you have the same expectations and same understandings of the project. By offering this free consultation or Zoom meeting upfront, you will make the client more likely to return the favor to you by hiring you for their project. So there you have it, the psychology behind crafting winning proposals on Upwork. If you want to learn more about how to become a successful freelancer on Upwork, make sure to check out upwork.com, where I have gathered a free PDF guide for you containing different tips, tricks, and strategies on how to send and write winning proposals on Upwork, and also how to optimize your profile efficiently. On top of that, this PDF guide is completely free and you can download it instantly. Make sure to check out upwork.com, link in the description below, and if you have any questions or if you want me to cover any different areas of freelancing or Upwork, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy freelancing.